Rise and shine, explorers! Today is Thursday, June 4, 2020, and we are rising strong.
We want to wish a happy birthday to Lily and Addison in 4th grade and to Carson and Penn in 5th grade. We hope you make it a great day. Mrs. Moore shared with 2nd graders a squiggle writing project, and look what she came up with. Fantastic stories about superheroes, villains, and the solar system. Great job, Zahara, Olivia, and Hudson. Keep up the great work. We're rising strong all summer long. Check out this fun video from Sam as he shows us how he washes his hands with a Spider-Man song.
He is a Spider-Man. He is a Spider-Man. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. He's a Spider-Man.
All right, explorers, it's time for extreme close-ups. Can you guess which fruit or vegetable you see? As we're rising strong all summer long, it's important to remember to eat healthy foods, including fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables provide us important nutrients and vitamins. These vitamins are important for all of your work that your body is doing, and especially as you are thinking, learning, and growing. Please stand and join us in the Explorer's Path. I am kind and caring. I give my personal best. I'm respectful. I'm trustworthy. I will rise up to the quest. Remain standing and join us in the Pledge of Allegiance. Remember to stop, stand, salute, stare, and say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Have a great day, explorers!